Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will do the week 4 assignment of soft computing. So let us start with week 4 assignment 4. Today we will do the problems solution with answers in real value encoding, which is the correct form for representing as in A in the form of tree or objects, B in term of bits, C in terms of values or strings or symbols, D in terms of sequence of elements. So the answer is in term of values or strings or symbols. In terms of values or symbols or string, real value encoding. So 1 C. Then 2. Which encoding scheme is faster? Binary encoding, real value encoding, tree encoding, all of the above. The answer is binary encoding. Because it is binary encoding is faster. Then option the purpose of fitness evaluation is to evaluate the survivability of each individual in the current population. Fitness evaluation is to evaluate the survivability of each individual in the current population. So the answer of question 3 is C. Roulette wheel selection strategy suffers from high computational time, lesser diversity, premature convergence. Route wheel selection sim lesser diversity, premature convergence, local optimal solution. So here the answer of question 4 is both A, B, C and A, B and C option. Then question number 5. Which crossover technique suffers from positional bias? The answer of 5 is binary crossover. The schemas that can be created or destroyed means it suffers. That is binary crossover technique. The 5C. The drawback of roulette wheel selection is rectified in which selection strategy? It is rank-based selection strategy. To overcome the problem with roulette wheel selection, a rank-based selection scheme has been proposed. The 6D. Rank-based selection. 7. Which of the following cannot be constraint of traveling salesman problem? Order of cannot be order of traversing. Visit all the cities. One city, one knows only starting and ending city. These three options are given in the question, but another one is not given. So the answer is order of traversing is fixed. Which of the following crossover schemes uses a binary crossover mask? Uniform crossover, because it is uses the mask properties. So here the answer is uniform crossover. What will the binary representation of x equal to 10 with 4 bits where lower value of x is 2 and upper value of x is 17? The answer is 9A 1010. Here the solution b value x l lower limit 2 upper limit 17. So applying the formula the answer is 10. In which selection strategy an individual may got selected more than once? Tournament selection, roulette wheel selection. Tournament selection more than once, roulette selection more than once. So here the question of 10 is option B and D. Which encoding scheme is applicable to solve for planning problem? Tree encoding. 11C. In our lecture this floor planning problem is not mentioned, so here I got the answer from another web page. So floor planning is of an example of tree encoding. 11C. To overcome the binary code related problem, which coding scheme is evolved? Gray coding. 12B. To avoid binary code related problem, gray coding can be used. 12B. Which one is correct statement of tournament selection? Tournament selection correct statement. Population diversity is moderate, then selection pressure is high. Tournament selection, if population diversity is moderate, then it provides very high selection pressure. The population diversity moderate, then its provides selection pressure is high. 13B. Which of the following is not a GA encoding scheme? Graph encoding. 14A. Binary encoding, real value encoding, order encoding, tree encoding, these are the encoding schemes, but the graph encoding is not the properties of encoding schemes. So the answer is 14A graph encoding. Which one is the right order of G operation? Here are the orders of G operations: encoding, convergence, multiple, fitness evaluation, crossover, mutation, inversion. So here the option D, encoding, fitness evaluation, crossover, mutation. Encoding, fitness evaluation, crossover, mutation. Right order. So the answer of 15 is D. Let us check one by one and submit our answers. 1. See, in terms of value strings of which encoding scheme is faster? Binary encoding scheme. The purpose of the fitness evaluation is to evaluate the subvalue of each individual in the correct population. Relative well selection strategy suffers from high computational time, lesser diversity, premature convergence. 4. ABC. Which crossover technique suffers from positional bias? Binary crossover. 5C. To drawback of which selection is rectified in which selection strategy? Rank based selection. Which of the following cannot be constant of traveling salesman problem? Order of traveling is fixed. Which of the following crossover schemes uses a binary crossover mask? Uniform crossover. What will be the representation? 9A. Then 10B and D. Which of the following? 11C. Tree encoding. Then to overcome binary code related to which coding scheme is involved? Gray coding. 13. 13B. Population diversity is high, acceleration process is low. Which of the following is not a G encoding scheme? Graph encoding. Then 15D. So let us submit. So the assignment of week 4, assignment 4 of introduction to soft computing is complete. So we have reached the 4 assignments out of 5 in the NPTEL course. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.